And I finally got the email. That is
Hey guys, it's Yaz. I'm definitely editing this video and I realized that I did not record my unboxing for the pillow. So, I literally just inserted screenshots. I did try to record my screen, but it kept coming out blurry for some reason. So, the pillow that I did purchase was um what was it, the molded latex pillow. The second pillow that I got for all around sleepers, I know in the description it does say for back and side sleepers, but guys, I literally sleep on my stomach and I have no issues. I have not had any cranks in my neck. It's all Gucci in my neck, and I love it. Like, my head genuinely feels rested and supported there. Love that. The second pillow, the yoga meditation pillow, right? It's actually the inside, it's like buckwheat feel, so love that. It smells good. It's still light, and I love that it actually has a cute little handle. So it's like, you can just like carry it. Super cute, and it matches. I don't know if you guys caught this, but it matches, the handle matches the mattress. Love that. Okay, so obviously the third thing that I had um unboxed is my mattress. And this is my second mattress with them. It is actually a king size. So super grateful, super happy about that. And I just hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video.
Is he coming? Nah. Oh, this is huge! This is a fat pillow!
Hey guys, I just want to point out the fact that I'm going to talk about this more in depth later down on this, or later further in this video, but I just wanted to hop on here real quick and let you guys know that the first thing I did this morning was I checked my phone to see if it was out for delivery, and it had actually said it was delivered, and it was like not even 10 o'clock in the morning yet. So I definitely woke up my honey and I was like, no, we gotta get up. We gotta literally unbox this mattress like right now. So literally nobody brushed their teeth, nobody got dressed, nobody ate, nobody even drank water. Like, this was straight up got up and we got this done because we were just so excited. And I was just so excited. Like, I don't regret it at all.
Okay, hey guys, it's Yaz. Hey guys, it's Yaz. Hey guys, it's Yaz. So let's rewind to 2018. I think I had just started YouTube and I don't remember if I ever recorded that. But I had saved for, I don't know, like a couple weeks, maybe even like a couple months. I say weeks, but I really mean months. Like I saved for a couple months specifically for this mattress. You know, it is on, at that time it was at, you know, the bigger end of my purchases. So anyways, you know, I got it, I ordered it. And I've loved it ever since. So even throughout these like 3 years, like it never felt used and never really felt like worn down. So I love that already, you know, growing up. I'm very grateful for what we had, but I do remember like after a little bit, like you could tell like these mattresses were, you know, the normal wear and tear, like it was just a lot more noticeable on those previous mattresses than it is on this mattress. Like this mattress is, I got the avocado green vegan mattress, the green vegan mattress, because I was just like as eco-friendly as possible, as like vegan as possible, like just because at that time and even now, like my purpose is to go vegan. Like I think and I'm not just talking about a diet. Like veganism is far more than just a diet. It's a complete lifestyle that I am trying to obtain. And I know it doesn't, like I know I'm not there yet. Like I know there's a lot of work to be done. Like I'm still, it doesn't matter because that's not what we're talking about. But you know, at that time I was just like vegan, and I still am. Like I'm that's my goal, is to become a full vegan. It is completely a process because it is a complete lifestyle change. But I'm all for it. I'm all for it, and I'm on the journey. So I'm super stoked. And quickly, as you guys saw just now, I unboxed the first ever yoga meditation pillow, and I'm so stoked. I actually have it right here next to me, because I was just using it. I love this thing. I haven't like meditated on it, but to be honest, I think I could just like take a little, like, you know, little nappers on it, you know, use it as like a little backrest or something. I also love, so for those of you, honestly, did I get a clip of the handles? I'm gonna try to get a clip of the mattress handles, like on the sides, because this actually has one too. It's right here. Look at that. And it actually says, I think I'm holding it upside down. It says, you can't see, but it says avocado. And this kind of reminds me of an avocado. Sure, did they do that on purpose? So this is my first pillow ever. Like I was rooting for avocado before furniture came out, before these little side pillows came out. Like back when it was just straight like mattress. I think they had like a few sheets. And like their normal like pillows, I think they had it, but they weren't like, they have grown so much, and I'm just so ecstatic to even be able to talk about them and say I yet again bought another avocado green vegan mattress, but this time it's a king. So I'm super stoked. Like I'm never getting rid of this bed. Like no one can ever tell me it is time to give it up, because it is never time. It would never be time. And you know, obviously the only reason, and I didn't even get rid of my queen size. I actually I gave it to my mom because she would always just come in my bedroom and just lay on my bed, just be like, this just feels so good. I'm just like, yeah, it's like chill on it. And when I would go like away on the weekend trip or on a mini road trip, like she would use my mattress. So I was just like, I'm just gonna give it to my mom. It's a great mattress. Definitely recommend. Yes, I'm super stoked. I do want to mention I do have one more avocado pillow coming. So That one has not shipped because there is a delay. Like this king mattress took about 2 months to get to us, and so yeah, I'm like super slow. Like we literally were without a mattress for about 6 weeks. But that's fine. It was totally worth it. Right now it's definitely still like inflating because you're not supposed to, whatever. It don't matter. You're not supposed to mess with that for a good couple hours. You're not supposed to put anything on it, like pressure. Anyways, I'm not going to post this video until I get that second pillow because that one is for my, like, to sleep with on the mattress. Like I said, this is the avocado yoga meditation pillow. So this is kind of also like a little prompt, when you sit down maybe. This is the yoga meditation pillow, and I'm actually waiting for the, what is it called? It was organic yoga meditation pillow. Okay. This is what this is, the organic yoga meditation pillow. And then I got an avocado molded latex pillow. And this is actually, it's a charcoal infused and it's latex. I know I probably should have just gotten the green pillow, but this one just seemed interesting because it has charcoal infused. So I feel like maybe that's kind of like soothing for when you go to sleep. I don't know. But that is on the way, and I think there was also a delay on this one. Like, there's a delay, so I'm hoping it gets here, hopefully next week. No, I'm just kidding. Hopefully it gets here, maybe in like 2-ish weeks. That way it gives me time, to finish editing everything else that I've recorded. You know how I am, guys. But let's focus up and just wrap this up because this shouldn't really be taking this long. Oh, it's a chair. I was like, oh my god. Okay, so I'm super stoked. I cannot wait to try. Actually, I've already tried it before, but just on a bigger size. I'm excited to sleep on the king sized avocado green vegan mattress. It's been a minute since I've slept on a mattress, but like I said, I have previously owned a vegan green mattress, queen sized. I just gave it to my mom, so that's great. I'm super excited that I was able to keep it in the fam, because I would always get compliments like when people would come into my room and like just get on my bed. They'd be like, "Damn, this is a good bed. You should get this." And I was like, "No, it's been like a year now." That's what I'm saying. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. I really do recommend. So I'll be honest because I don't want to make it seem like anything else that it's not. But when I first got my queen mattress, even though I had saved, I also wasn't trying to drop all of that money right then and there. I had actually ended up doing like, I guess like a lease or finance thing with a firm. And I ended up paying it off over time. And I actually ended up paying it off early because, like I said, I did save. So it worked out better. Plus, yeah, you guys know what it is when you pay things off early, I think then I spent about $1,300. I'm gonna be very blunt. It was around $1,300, and this time we spent about, okay, I'll be honest, the total was over 2, but because I'm Yaz, I got it on a discount and we ended up spending about 16. So I jumped on only $300 more than what I paid for last time on the king for a vegan mattress. And like avocado actually gives back. They give back to I got distracted. I'm looking at their dresser. I really like their end tables. I love these end tables. There's just something about their simplicity of it that I just like need. Okay, so I think I'm gonna chill out. But as you guys have seen, I am doing I'm basically cleaning my entire bedroom right now. Like, I got this mattress. I probably should have done it before. I really thought I had more time because I know everyone we get a notification when FedEx is about to ship out your stuff or like go out for delivery, and I got it, but I was just like, no way, I'm gonna be like at the top of their like route. So I was like, I have time to clean, disinfect, move things around, do what I gotta do, you know, wash all of my sheets. Turns out I was at the top of the list because I don't know what, Jesus loves me or something. And literally as soon as we woke up, there was a knock and I was like, ah! And it was the mattress, very much. And this pillow. I don't talk about this pillow too much because I haven't tried it, but I'm excited about this pillow too. More excited about the mattress, I'm not gonna lie. My back's already feeling great. It's excited. So yeah, that's currently what I am doing is I'm trying to clean all the sheets and the floor. So, and also outside of it needing to like inflate and kind of, it also needs to air it out a little bit. So I'm trying to air it out as far as long as possible. I'm probably not going to put any sheets on it until this evening. Sometimes like things start coming out of me. It's like a word vomit. Like I don't know what's happening, but it happens. Anyways, so I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I also hope that you check out AVOCADO because I love their product. I'm for what they're doing. They're trying, you know, eco-friendly for the things that we actually use. And the fact that they even came out with a meditation pillow is beyond me, and I am just so stoked. It's just, I'm for it. And I've actually been working, as you guys have seen, I've been working more on my meditation. So I'm just so excited that they ended up sending me this meditation pillow because it's about to be put to good use, and I'm so stoked. Stay tuned. Watch us. Stay tuned, guys. Don't skip through. Stay tuned and watch us get in our bed tonight because I'm excited. Ooh, ooh. I'm like, for real, I'm so stoked. Okay. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye.